I believe the way to mature a project is to collaborate with a pharmaceutical company, and the reason why is that drug development is an expertise. It's something they've been doing for many years, and if it's good enough, if your project is good enough, then there's a good chance that one of the big pharma companies, and there's many of them, or even a mid-sized pharma will pick your project up, and then they have the expertise to take it through to development and commercialize your idea.
If you look at the statistics of what venture capital funds have returned over the last 10 years, the average fund has lost money. So in any other sector, if that happened, it would be a disaster. In our sector, people look at it and go, well, we're doing better than average. Average is losing money. That's just not good enough. And it's no wonder there's been such a fleet of capital away from our sector, and the number of venture funds that exist are less, and those funds are smaller than they once were.
In the past, Big Pharma used to throw money over the fence to biotech. Biotech would then take that money and then use it to develop or enhance the technology or the compounds. Things are changing gradually. We're going much more into a risk-sharing approach where we just try and we match effort rather than throwing money over the fence.
I think there's a fundamental realization that in order to be successful in this sector, you need to be patient. You need to obviously do the best possible things you can, but you need to be more patient than previous fund models allowed us to be. So that's the big change, and I hope it is a fundamental change that can then bring success.
I think to try to talk and work with pharma or biotech, it's all relationship driven at the end of the day, and it's about the prior working experience that we've had, or an individual that in our team or I've had with a pharma or biotech, and that's really good. That's how we attract their attention. We go in to someone we've worked with before, who we have a relationship with, that we've delivered for in the past, worked with together, and hopefully through that positive relationship we've had in our history with that particular company, we can then talk about new things. So it's very much, it's a relationship driven industry, I believe.